very special night because we have a very special guest. Our guest for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is all the way from GMA 7, from the show, the Bubay and Tekla Show. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, our guest will be giving you songs and laughters. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, our guest is a very good friend of mine. We did a lot of shows in different parts of the world. We've been to USA, Canada, Australia, Europe, some parts of Asia, and most especially in the Philippines. We travel here all over the Philippines, of course, to give you laughter and smile. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, our guest will be singing songs for you. And tonight, our guest is the one, and the only, my very good friend. Please welcome.
Donita! Wala na, nauli na si Tekla. Ang ingon ako introduction, huwag ko makingon nga mag-seminar ka diya. Sarap tawa niya.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ganyan.
On the right corner, weighing 150 pounds, the undisputed, the only one.
Tapos,
hindi. Anong kakatayin mo?
Titanic.
Yes. Anong song?
My Heart Will Go On.
Okay, so pag sinabi ko from the movie, haharap ka, parang ikaw pinaka-poster.
Okay, sige.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from the movie, harap, Walking Dead.
Titanic.
Titanic ba? Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, talikod muna, from the movie, Shake, Rock and Roll.
Titanic nga. Kanya, para gawin natin trending to, DJ, follow spotlight lang ako. Kahit isang follow spotlight lang. Tapos, abrihe ang tanang flashlight sa inyong cellphone. Nindot kayo ni tanawa. Ang di mo abrihe sa iyong flashlight sa cellphone, mamalasin buong taon.